Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright. Someone's calling, it's not me there. Screaming, talking about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above. They're chasing me down, trying to find your love. I didn't mean to take it this far, but here we are crying in the back of my car, saying it's your fault, but it's okay, cause I promise I'll love you anyway. So sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. Yeah, the moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, can't see the future, can't see the past. I can only hope that this will last. Oh, sunshine, never mind. Bring me all of your gray skies. Love has new faces, but it's still the same. You may be the one.
About like NFTs as a community as a whole. And then if you wanted to, it's like you could throw whatever excess.
Ganito ba sa'yo?
Wait lang. Oo, ata, Beryl. Ay, magkaiba tayo sis. Ay, hindi Beryl.
Sima. Anong gagamitin natin to? Hirap pala nito.
Lalak mo siya. Lalak mo siya para hindi siya luluwa. It's okay. Kasi cut mo na Beryl.
Sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. The moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, someone's calling, it's not me there. Screaming, talk about your destiny, but sunshine, never mind. Give me all of your gray skies. I can't hide from the skies above. They're chasing me down, trying to find your love. I didn't mean to take it this far, but here we are crying in the back of my car, saying it's your fault, but it's okay, cause I promise I'll love you anyway. So sunshine, never mind, oh, bring me all of your gray skies. Yeah, the moonlight never seems so bright until it's the only source of all of your light. Oh, can't see the future, can't see the past. I can only hope that this will last. Oh, sunshine, never mind. Bring me all of your gray skies. Love has new faces, but it's still the same. You may be the one, but it could be a game. It took me too long to realize that I'm stuck on the ground while you're it so loud, so you don't hear the words that you say that we both fear. I'm still afraid to know what will happen when I let you go, when I let you go.
It is currently lunchtime. It's almost 12 noon. My class is at 1 pa naman, and I'm just eating lugaw for lunch. And yeah, while I eat, I'm gonna watch some K-drama. I'm watching Our Beloved Summer. I'm on episode 11, and I'm loving it. It's super cute, but also so sad. This is my type of K-drama, and for sure, this is gonna be in my top favorites.
아, 내가 그거 사실은 말할 때 내보다 많이 심하게 빨라.
보고 싶었어. 항상.
Oh my gosh.
보고 싶었어.
사고를 당했다고요? 어디가 얼마나 다친 거죠?
Good morning. It's been a while since I talked in front of a camera, I think. I'm not sure. But anyway, I have class in a few minutes, but a while ago I was just trying to finish a book I was reading. And it's this one by Taylor Jenkins Reid. It's called Forever Interrupted. If you know me, if you know the books I love, it's usually those painful books. But this one was just a whole other level of pain. I feel like there's no true happy ending to this. I don't know if that's like a spoiler, but it's kind of not, because in the first part of the book you already know that her husband dies, and it's just a book about grief. Taylor Jenkins Reid just gives like so much pain into her books. I just have 2 more books from her that I haven't read, which is this one, Malibu Rising, and After I Do. I bought all of her books, and these are the 2 left that I haven't read. I'm gonna read Malibu Rising first, and then After I Do, because I'm saving the best for last. Hopefully this is the best. So far, I already know my favorite, but we'll see if this competes with that. I'm so happy she's coming out with a new book. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I feel like it's one of her historical fictions, not her romance books. But for me, kasi mas gusto ko yung mga romance books niya. but we'll see. I still love her historical fiction, someone like Daisy Jones and the Six and Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So yeah, I just wanted to update you on my books. I haven't done a wrap-up in a while because I've been too busy with school and I need to log in Zoom right now.
Chance lahat. So those are clues that you can pick up in the case. Now, if given a diagnostic stage,